Hello, this is Calvin Mata for enhancement number 2, and I'll be showing you here how my SQL queries work. So first of all, I got all my queries, and I'm gonna run them. Hit go. They all ran. They all work. I got my miscellaneous here. I'm gonna show you here in my table, clients. Go. All the changes were made, and I'm gonna go back here. Show you the inventory also. Climbing rope was changed, and the number 7 was deleted. Now I'm going to show you my PDO file. I have it already broke, so I'm going to go back here, fix it, save it, run it. It's doing what it's supposed to do, so I'm going to go back here, break it. And it's giving you a separate error. It works fine. Thanks.